The Samsung S27 Ultra is a next-generation flagship smartphone that redefines what users can expect from a mobile device in terms of performance, display quality, battery life, and camera technology. It features a stunning 144Hz QHD plus Super AMOLED display, offering an incredibly smooth and immersive visual experience with rich colors, deep blacks, and ultra-sharp resolution, perfect for high-end gaming, watching 4K content, and professional-level creative work. Under the hood, it's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite 3 chipset, a powerhouse processor designed to handle demanding tasks with ease, including advanced AI functions, heavy multitasking, and graphics-intensive applications, all while maintaining efficiency and thermal balance. To support extended usage, the S27 Ultra is equipped with an enormous 8,000 mAh battery, which provides all-day power and more, even for the most demanding users. When it's time to recharge, the device supports 120W fast charging technology, capable of bringing the battery from 0 to 100% in a remarkably short time, eliminating long waits and keeping users connected. Photography is taken to a whole new level with the S27 Ultra's revolutionary 400MP camera sensor, engineered to capture extreme levels of detail and clarity, whether in daylight or low-light environments, making it a game-changer for content creators and mobile photographers alike. Altogether, the Samsung S27 Ultra sets a new benchmark for premium smartphones, seamlessly blending futuristic hardware with intelligent design to deliver one of the most powerful and feature-rich mobile experiences available today.